Namaste. This is the Superfull ATM machine, and with this you can do cash withdrawal, online check deposit, print your instant personalized check, print your demand draft and so many other digital transactions such as balance inquiry, mini statement and many more. So now I will do a cash withdrawal. First select bank operation, then insert bank's ATM card. Now I am typing my 4-digit password. I am selecting cash withdrawal. I am selecting other amount. The Superfull ATM is showing me the 4 denomination is available: 50, 100, 200 and 500. Can be any banknote combination. For a trial, I will withdraw rupees 850. So I will enter the amount 850 and confirm. After withdrawal, I will get a receipt. The Superfull ATM has 4 cassette denomination with 3000 banknote capacity each. Let's print checkbook online. I am selecting check printing. Now I can select the number of check that I want to print. The options are 3 checks, 6 checks or 9 checks. I will select 6 checks. When the check is printing, the ATM will verify if there are no double check page and also the sheet is not blank. Each sheet has 3 personalized check with pre-cutting facility. There are other security features as well. In case if user forgot to take his check, the ATM machine will retract and destroy the sheet of checks. If any check is not properly printed, the ATM machine will destroy the check before delivery to the client. Let's do check deposit now. I am selecting check deposit. I will insert the check. I will enter the amount mentioned in the check and confirm. The ATM machine will print a receipt along with front and back image of the check for my record. Let's print a demand draft. With this ATM, I can instantly get my demand draft without going to the bank branch and without waiting for a long time. So let's print it. And I am selecting demand draft. Total amount in Indian rupees and name to whom this demand draft is addressed and press confirm. This demand draft comes with pre-cut receipt. For more details, please contact Perto support team to explore the Superfull ATM facility. Thank you.